I got y'all up in here with me in my kitchen, and I just wanted to show y'all because I'm doing something really cool right now. I like saw this thing on TikTok that shows you how to clean your candles out. If you have a TikTok, you need to follow me on there. I love TikTok. It's like one of my newest sessions right now. So yeah, I cleaned out a candle. It had about like that much wax in it, and I cleaned it out. This was like a Glade candle. This was one of the teeny Bath and Body Works candles. And I have some more in here that I'm washing. I'm glad that I actually picked up the camera and started filming. It's MLK Day and a bitch is off, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'm just getting some stuff done. I'm washing some dishes and doing this, and I also need to do some laundry, which I don't know about you, but I let my laundry pile up to the last damn minute. Every time I'm trying to do stuff. Oh, it's 12 o'clock. I have to tell myself to reset my alarms back because MLK Day, so I don't have to go to work today. Oh, I gotta set my alarms back, child, so I wake up on time in the morning, child. I have been trying to wake up early so I can get things done. I go to work at like 8 a.m. so typically I'll wake up around 6:45, so I'm trying to do that every day. So it makes it really easy to do if you use this thing on the iPhone clock. It's called like bedtime. If you go on there, it looks like that. Yeah, I use that, and it's really been helping me with waking up, and it wakes you up like in a nice gentle way, like with really nice sounds and shit. So yeah, that's a good tip. Okay, I done made a mess over here, y'all, and I'm a clean freak, so this is just a little much for me. I done made a mess, but pretty much what you have to do is you have to boil some water and put it in your candle, and it's supposed to make it like the stuff's supposed to come up. I'll show you guys, but yeah, this is the ones that worked for me. And then you just get a candle warmer and you can use the rest of it. Like you put it in a big one. Like I'm gonna plan to put all of my candle waxes in this thing because I like this thing, and that's just where I'm gonna be, where I put my candle waxes, and I'm gonna have a warmer, and I'm gonna use my candles like that. So yeah, it's a good way to reduce, reuse, recycle. If you know me, you know I'm all about that. I'm pretty passionate about, you know, recycling, even though recycling is one of the biggest hoaxes of the century. But yeah, I'm just reduce, reuse, recycle.
Period poo.
We do reusable grocery bags, you know, if you watch like my grocery haul and things like that. So yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what I have to do because I have a one sink thing. Like, that's my sink situation. People seem to like my sink. So I was raised, you have like a dish drain. So I'm like, where the fuck do you put a dish drain? Like, you wash your dishes, you have to drain them somewhere. So yeah, I was looking, and on Facebook Marketplace, I found this shit for $20. I'm a Facebook Marketplace queen. I'm the thrift queen, for real. But yeah, I got a little braid out going right now. I'm gonna be dropping that video soon because the bitch is making content, okay? The bitch is making content. I feel like I look so ugly with my glasses on. You know what? I need to put my clear glasses on. That's the problem. These look good, y'all. These ones look really good. I just gotta pour the water out of this one. Pouring all this stuff in your sink if your sink ain't got nothing to catch it, honey, because you're gonna need some Drano if you do that. I didn't realize a very important factor is that you may have to do it twice. The TikTok video was very short, so we never made it to that point. But I saw some other girl upload a video on this, and she was like, oh, you may have to do it twice. So yeah, usually I'm just listening to a podcast while I'm doing all this stuff, but I'm just like, I need to create content. I'm in a space where I can. I finally live alone, so it's like I can really just sit there and make content. Like, I don't have to. Normally it was like somebody else was there, so I felt weird about it, or honestly I was just lazy. Like, I was not having work ethic, and that's one thing my job has been teaching me. Like, girl, you have to have actual work ethic to like make stuff happen. Like, you can't just think that everything's gonna fall in your lap, especially something like YouTube. This shit's fucking hard, and you can't expect people to fucking support you. Like, that's the biggest lesson that fucking YouTube will teach you. Like, you cannot be waiting for other people to support you, girl. Like, your shit might pop off, but your shit might not pop off. I've been making content for years, but the amount of videos wouldn't show it. I've probably only made about, I probably haven't even made 100 YouTube videos in my career. In the last year or so is when I made the bulk of them. Like, I haven't really been trying at the shit. It's like, you say you want to be a YouTuber, but you want this to be your job. You gotta act like this shit is your job before it's your job. Like, dead ass. Lord, I got wax all over here. I don't know how I'm gonna get this shit off. Getting to the level where you just don't care what people think. You stop being afraid of failure. Like, I've had a bunch of little mini successes with stuff, so I know if I just keep doing it and keep trying, it's gonna pop off, because it has no choice but to. Because you can't work hard at this shit and keep hitting with your videos and it not happen for you. Like, and I gotta show more personality. Literally, like, I have to build a family. Like, we have to build a squad. Like, Spice gang in this bitch. Gang in this bitch, yeah. That's what we gotta build out here, because otherwise, I'm gonna be 30 talking about I used to make YouTube videos. So I gotta do this shit right now. If anybody has any options outside of Clorox that cleans really well, I'd love to know, because that's one area that I really need to work on, is like cleaning with Clorox. It has to be bad. Like all the chemical things that I use. Fabuloso. Get you some water boiling. Some people put it in the microwave. I ain't got time to get my microwave plate all dirty and my microwave all high up in the sky. I gotta be up there scrubbing and shit. No. Put this on. So the water's boiling. I'm gonna start over here because these ones still have like stuff in them. Just gonna do this and you're gonna see it happen. It takes a long time though, so hopefully I don't forget to come back and record, because I would do some shit like that. You have to be careful, guys. Okay, fix that angle. Clear the counters. This shit's gonna get everywhere. Alright, and then I'm gonna get the little wick part out of this. Because pretty much I figured out all you have to do is, essentially you have to make the little glue get loose. That's all you're pretty much doing. Like, I ripped all the tags off so easily because of that. That's the part y'all missed, but yeah. Trust me, it works. Yeah, that's what we're doing or whatever. So I'm gonna come back to y'all later. I need to go like separate my clothes and do my laundry and stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to update you. And the candles, they're doing their thing, shawty. Hey, doing their thing. I'm gonna reach down in here and try to move this thing. Yep, you see? You just have to soften up the glue. It comes right off. Move this wick. Got them. Okay, so I just want to update you guys on what the candles are looking like, and they all came up. Like, so I'm gonna do this one, and these are easier because you just can flip it, and then just breaks for you. Clean some candles out to be able to reuse them. I'm so excited because I don't know about y'all, but I had like a whole bunch of just half-used candles that the wick was burned down. So this is just the greatest thing ever to me. Show you guys because I'm so excited. I found me a little $6 candle warmer at the thrift store because they be taxing for these things in the regular store. But yeah, here's all my little candle pieces that I got out of the jars the other day. I just put them in one big one. Good guys, I am chilling, drinking my little smoothie, and I just came back from the beauty supply store. So I just want to show you guys what I got there. Smoothie is so good. If you want to see a recipe for a banging ass weight loss smoothie, definitely find somewhere, link it somewhere. You already know the deal. Go back to my channel, check that shit out. You know what I'm saying? Beauty supply store haul, and I actually stopped by Dollar General and checked out their clearance section because I like to get hair products there as well. That's a good way to get nice hair products for cheap. If you see my $4 deep condition routine, stay right there. So okay, so this is what I got at Dollar General. It's Dollar General, guys, not Dollar Tree. They didn't have that much stuff, but they had this Pantene moisturizing leave-in, and I really like the Garnier Fructis one, so I thought I'd give this a try. And I just got some body wash as well, some cleansing infusion crushed ginger. Ooh, it's micro scrubbing. Smells really good. Wow. Here's the beauty supply haul. A deep conditioning mask, because I always need one of these because I deep condition my hair every week. And this is the Cantu one, the deep treatment hair mask with shea butter. It was $1.99, child. Then I got this, I feel like I seen Kelsey or one of them talking about this. You know, my hair ain't nothing like Kendra or Kelsey's hair, but they like this gel, so I wanted to try it. It's the Unjacky's Flaxseed Recipe Don't Shrink gel. I might do like a wash and go or something like that, show y'all what that looks like. A pair of lashes. These are like some of my favorite like cheaper lashes. These are only $2.99. It's the I Envy 3D collection in the style 136. I got a pick because I don't have a pick, and they had some metal ones, but I decided to go with the plastic ones. So yeah, I think I'm gonna like this for my hair to like make it bigger and stuff. So I got the Style Factor Edge Booster Extra Strength Moisture Rich Pomade for thick and coarse hair, honey. Got one of these because this is what everybody be using. This is like supposed to be the best edge control. Ooh, it's got a little cap. Fancy, honey. Yes, that's supposed to be best edge controls. And I was gonna get the big one. It was $10 though, and I thought they was taxing. So I got this one, which was $2.99, and I'm going to order it off Amazon if I like it. Instead of giving my money to these racist ass Asians, okay? But I had to do it for today. The first beauty supply store I went to was in the hood. They was closed for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I didn't know whether I wanted to salute to that shit or, you know, be mad. But I went to another one, and of course, hey, it was open. And then I just got the Wild Growth Oil. So my battery is about to die. So that's my haul. Comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Check me out on TikTok. All that good shit. Period.
Hey, why you acting like I don't know? You had a tough time running solo.